Hello everyone. Today we will learn about interjections. What are interjections? A part of a sentence representing emotions such as joy, surprise, sadness, which has no grammatical relation to other parts of a sentence is called interjection. We usually use it in informal language when we speak. Alright. When we have to communicate strong emotions like surprise, excitement, and anger, so we use an exclamation mark, children. Then for weaker emotions, we use a comma. Alright, so we can classify interjections as interjections for greeting when we greet people, for joy when we are happy, for approval, for surprise, for grief or pain, and for attention. Let us take the first one, interjections for greeting. These interjections are used for greeting any person like hi, hello, hey. Let us take few examples. Hi, how is your health now? Hello, how are you, Peter? Hey, where are you going? So here they are greeting. They're telling hi, hello to each other. Understood? Next we have interjection for joy. That is, it is expressing happiness or joy like hooray, wow, yippee. Let us take few examples of this. Hooray, my team has won the tournament. Wow, the scenery is so eye-catching. Yippee, we are going for a picnic. So these three sentences are showing about the joy that they have won the tournament. The scenery is also so beautiful and they are going for a picnic. Understood? Next we have interjections for approval, children. That is, it is expressing an approval on something that has occurred like bravo, brilliant, splendid, well done, yummy. So let us take few examples. Bravo, John has taken a wicket. Brilliant, your article is so helpful. Splendid, I like your work. Yummy, the cake is so delicious. So here the sentences are approving. Yes, you have taken a wicket. Yes, your article is helpful and I like your work and the cakes are so delicious. Understood? Next we have interjections for surprise. That is, it is showing the sense of surprise on what is happening. Now let us take these examples. What? You have broken the showpiece? A. You have done a mess. Ah, what have you done? Oh, what a hot and humid day. Hey, are you sure about it? So all these words like what, a, o, hey are showing the feeling of surprise in each sentence, children. Understood? Next we have interjections for grief or pain. It expresses the grief or pain in any unfortunate event. Now let us take few examples, children. Ah, our team lost the match. Alas, John's father died yesterday. Ouch, I hurt my ankle. So the interjections are alas, ouch are showing the pain in each sentence, children. Understood? Now let's go to interjections for attention. Some interjections are used to get someone's attention, like look, hush, listen, behold. Now let us take few examples about this. Look, the actor is coming. Hush, keep quiet. Listen, you will prepare the design. Behold, the scenery is so beautiful. So in these sentences, the interjections are drawing attention of someone. Understood, children? I hope the concept is clear now, children. Now let us quickly do this worksheet. Fill in the blanks with suitable interjections. First one, dash Lisa is looking gorgeous. It is showing the happiness and the joy. So the answer is wow. Lisa is looking gorgeous. Next we have dash, the picture is so nice. So it is drawing attention. Look, the picture is so nice. Next we have dash, you have got the highest marks. So it is showing the approval. Well done, you have got the highest marks. Next we have dash, I have fallen down. It is showing the grief and pain. Ouch, I have fallen down. Dash, our team has won the match. It is showing the happiness of winning. Hooray, our team has won the match. Dash, where have you been? It is showing the greeting. Hi, where have you been? Dash, the place is so crowded. It is showing the surprise. Oh, the place is so crowded. Next we have dash, we are going on vacation. It is showing the joy of enjoying the vacation. Yippee, we are going on vacation. Dash, what a relief. It is showing about the relief from the pain. Ah, what a relief. The last one, dash, you have broken the glass of the window. It is showing the surprise. What? You have broken the glass of the window. Understood, children? So keep practicing. Here is a worksheet for you to do. Thank you.